to 9 a.m. Area weather observations. At Salisbury, sunny. Temperature 51, dew point 34, relative humidity 52%. Wind northwest, 23 miles an hour, gusting to 35. Pressure 29.85 inches and rising. At Wallops Island, sunny. Temperature 53, dew point 33, relative humidity 46%. Wind northwest, 16 miles an hour. Pressure 29.87 inches and rising. Across the rest of Delmarva and west of the bay, Georgetown, sunny and 55. Wind northwest, 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21. Ocean City, sunny and 52. Wind west, 17 miles an hour, gusting to 24. Accomack, sunny and 54. Wind northwest, 17 miles an hour, gusting to 30. Baltimore, mostly sunny and 50. Wind west, 18 miles an hour, gusting to 26. Washington, D.C., mostly sunny and 51. Wind northwest, 18 miles an hour, gusting to 25. Patuxent River, mostly sunny and 52. Wind northwest, 21 miles an hour, gusting to 30. Elsewhere across the Mid-Atlantic, Richmond, sunny and 54. Norfolk, mostly sunny and 54. Wind north, 14 miles an hour, gusting to 23. Philadelphia, mostly sunny and 50. Wind west, 24 miles an hour.
The area forecast. Rest of today, mostly cloudy, then partly sunny. Highs around 60. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. South winds around 10 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 40%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows around 50. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows around 50. Chance of rain 30%. Here is the extended forecast for the Delmarva Peninsula. Monday, partly sunny. Breezy. Highs around 60. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Breezy. Lows in the lower 30s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 40. Veterans Day, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s.
Tidal information. For Ocean City on Thursday. Low tide at 5:40 a.m. High tide at 12:07 p.m. Low tide at 6:49 p.m. For Ocean City on Friday. High tide at 12:38 a.m. Low tide at 6:48 a.m. High tide at 1:13 p.m. For Crisfield on Thursday. High tide at 5:06 a.m. Low tide at 11:26 a.m. High tide at 5:37 p.m. For Crisfield on Friday. Low tide at 12:27 a.m. High tide at 6:15 a.m. Low tide at 12:41 p.m.
Coastal waters from Cape Henlopen to Fenwick Island. Today, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northeast and increasing to 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of rain. Saturday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of rain. Saturday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. A chance of rain. Sunday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Monday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Coastal waters from Fenwick Island to Chincoteague. Gale warning. Today, northwest winds 30 knots with gusts to 40 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Tonight, west winds 20 to 25 knots, decreasing to 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 5 to 6 feet, subsiding to 4 feet after midnight. Saturday, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 feet. Saturday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 feet. Sunday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. Sunday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest after midnight. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Monday, north winds 20 knots. Seas 5 feet. Tuesday, northeast winds 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. The marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from Annapolis to Smith Point. This afternoon, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, south wind around 5 knots. Waves less than 1 foot. Friday, west wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming north in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers. Friday night, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers. Saturday, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers. Sunday, south wind around 10 knots, becoming west 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. Monday, northwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot.
Moderate risk of rip currents today. Hazards. Rip current risk is moderate to a moderate risk of rip currents means wind and/or wave conditions support stronger or more frequent rip currents. Only experienced surf swimmers should enter the water. Weather. Mostly cloudy. Showers becoming likely this morning. A chance of thunderstorms this morning and afternoon. Highs around 70. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Surf. Average wave height in the surf zone 2 to 3 feet. Surf temperature 66. Virginia Beach tides for today. High tide at 9:09 a.m. Low tide at 3:24 p.m. High tide at 9:27 p.m. The UV index today is 2, which is low.
Gene weakens to a tropical depression. This is the 2 p.m. intermediate advisory for tropical depression Gene. At 2 p.m., the center of tropical depression Gene was located near latitude 32.2 north, longitude 83.7 west, or about 35 miles south of Macon, Georgia. Gene is moving toward the north-northeast near 14 miles an hour, and a turn to the northeast is expected during the next 24 hours. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles an hour, with higher gusts. Additional slow weakening is forecast over the next 24 hours. Estimated minimum central pressure is 990 millibars, 29.23 inches. Repeating the 2 p.m. position, 32.2 north, 83.7 west. Movement toward north-northeast near 14 miles an hour. Maximum sustained winds, 35 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure, 990 millibars.